Hello everyone, this is Sajid Hussain. In this video, I am going to explain about demand, different features of demand, different ways of expressing the demand, and finally law of demand. Firstly, let us see what a demand means. Demand refers to the desire or willingness of consumers to purchase a particular product or service at a given price within a specific period. In economic terms, demand backed up by enough money to afford the goods demanded is referred as demand. Demand has three essentials: desire for the commodity, purchasing power, and finally willingness to purchase. Let us see some of the different features of demand. Desire. It is the amount of commodity for which a consumer has willingness and ability to buy. Price. Demand is always referred at a particular price. Unless the price is stated, the commodity has no meaning, and the consumer must know both the price and commodity. Point of time. The amount demanded must refer to a specific point of time or a period of time. Utility. Demand depends upon the utility. Okay. Let's see the different ways of expressing the demand. Demand function. Demand function of an individual buyer is an algebraic form of expressing his demand behavior. The quantity demand per period of time is expressed as function of several variables. This is the generalized equation of demand function. Dx equals to f of px, y and t. In this equation, dx refers to the demand for the commodity, px refers to the price of the commodity, y refers to the income of the customer, and finally t refers to the time. And the second way is demand schedule. Demand schedule is a table that shows the particular quantity demanded of a good or service at different price levels. A demand schedule has two columns: price per unit and quantity demanded per period. Now let us see an example. Okay, this is a demand schedule for mangoes. In this we can observe that as price increases, the demand for the mangoes decreases. Demand curve. A demand curve is a graphical representation of the relationship between price of good or service and a quantity demanded for a particular period of time. It can also be referred as graphical representation of demand schedule. These are some of the demand curves given. With the help of these demand curves, we can estimate the price at a particular demand. Law of demand. The law of demand states that, other things being constant, the demand for a good increases with a decrease in price and decreases with an increase in price. The price and quantity of a commodity are inversely proportional to each other. When the price of any product increases, then its demand might fall. When its price decreases, the demand will increase in the market. Let us see some of the assumptions of law of demand. The tastes and preferences of a consumer remain constant. There is no change in the income of the consumer. Prices of the related goods does not change. Consumers do not expect any change in the price of the commodity in near future.